So, I'm talking to Joe Morin from ComRent about load bank technology. Now, Joe, load banks mimic the action of a server in terms of the power it takes in and the heat it gives out, but they're steadily improving, and this is a new one.
That's correct. So the Precision 18 kW, we put some refined airflow capabilities, better load step resolution, as well as many other features that help the load bank mimic the server.
Mm-hmm. What are the new things you've added this time?
So what we've added is, again, I mentioned airflow, so by refining the CFM capability, we can run a higher load at a lower CFM to more closely mimic the output of the server. The other features that are notable are we have a delta Y configurable switch that allows the unit to switch between single phase and three phase in the event that the owner does not have the data center built out to the floor level. So we have the ability to tie into the three-phase distribution or single phase in the racks.
Good. Do you want to show us on the front
Absolutely.
there?
So here's our delta Y configurable switch. So this is how we will switch between single and three phase. Reduced airflow capability here. It's switchable at the local panel as well as at the remote. The other ability here is that we can sync load, so the system acts as a three-phase and applies load and sync, or we can remove load and apply it in a single-phase manner, so we're applying load to the various phases. So we have the ability to unbalance phases, we have the ability to load with balanced phases. The other key features about this unit are a auto transfer capability. So the ability for the commissioning agent or owner or user to fail over one source and switch to a redundant source in the past was not possible with a rack mount. This system allows you to fail source 1 power on APDU or A plug strip and automatically transfer to B. You can force that through software, or you can also set the unit up to sense it automatically. So that's a great feature. Another feature of the unit that we're very proud of is the ability to install using no hardware. So this lock mechanism here allows the user to remove the unit, put it in, and lock it in the rack where it'll be held. So again, it's a very fast approach to install.
Okay, and it works with all different kinds of racks?
That's correct.
As people make their servers more dense in the racks and more power is drawn, you have to keep up with it by creating higher power load banks, is that right?
That's correct. So the Precision 18 is 18 kilowatt at 240 volt and it's 13.5 at 208. So again, to your point, server density is growing, so we're having to pack more resistive capability into the load banks to grow with that server density.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much.